coming soon. Yung Wendy's po. Good morning guys. So, hanap po ang makinggas. Gutom na po ako. Lunch po ngayon. Super hot ngayon guys. Sunny day. Very sunny day. Malapit na po yung Wendy's po guys. Kaya makakabilin tayo ng chicken. Punta po kay Alma guys kasi maraming ulam, like gulay tsaka sabaw. Gusto ko yung gano'n. Hi guys, good morning, good morning. Yes, grabe ang init guys. Grabe guys. Hi, malapit na ako guys. Hi guys, morning. It's